Welcome everyone to the Toys and RC universe. Some time ago, I made a post asking, got an idea for the next RC video, May edition? And subscriber Thompson Vibes AUS sent in this awesome suggestion. So in today's video, we're diving into 5 RC cars that are insanely fast 2026. After researching across multiple websites and sources, I've put together a list of models tailored for different types of users. Whether it's price, performance, or intended use, you'll find something here that fits what you're looking for. Important, this isn't a detailed review video, but rather an overview of each model to help you make a better choice. If you want to learn more about any of them, I've left all the links in the description. And of course, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Very soon I'll be posting again for the June edition. So if you want to see your name featured in the next video, drop your suggestion in the comments now. Number 5. If there's an RC car that stops traffic, it's this one. The Arrma Felony 6 SBLX is a 1/7 scale muscle car that reaches over 130 km/h. Straight out of the box, no modifications needed. With styling inspired by American muscle cars from the 60s and 70s, this car isn't just fast, it's impossible to ignore. The 6061-T6 aluminum chassis, oil-filled shocks, and all-metal drivetrain components deliver real durability for high-speed bashing. The Spectrum Firma electronic system, featuring a 150-amp ESC and AVC active vehicle control, keeps the car stable even at extreme speeds. You can monitor temperature, voltage, and RPM in real time using the Spectrum dashboard app. It comes RTR, ready to run, with transmitter and receiver included. You only need a 6S LiPo battery and a charger. Ideal for asphalt and oval tracks. If you want speed with style, there's no better option in this class. Number 4. There are fast RC cars, and then there's the Traxxas X-Maxx. This isn't a remote-controlled car. It's a battle-ready monster truck with over 30 volts of 8S power, and the Valinian 1200 XL big block brushless motor. The X-Maxx blasts past 80 km/h. In a truck that weighs nearly 9 kilograms and measures 75 centimeters in length. The 20 centimeters tall belted sledgehammer tires roll over anything in their path. Dirt, gravel, grass, mud. There's no terrain that can stop this machine. Flipped over, no problem. The self-righting system gets the truck back on its wheels at the push of a button. TSM, Traxxas Stability Management, keeps it under control even at full throttle on any surface. The drivetrain is all metal. The GTX shocks are aluminum. This truck was built to take a beating. It comes RTR, ready to race, with a TQI 2.4 GHz radio system included. All you need are 2 4S LiPo batteries and a charger. If you want the most brutal monster truck on the market, the X-Maxx is the obvious choice. Number 3. Extreme speed, drift on demand, and the durability to handle it all. The Arrma Infraction 6 SBLX is the ultimate 1/7 scale street basher, capable of exceeding 130 km/h straight out of the box, with the included speed gearing. But what really sets it apart isn't just speed. It's the integrated handbrake, a ventilated rear disc with a dedicated servo, controlled directly by a button on the transmitter. Hit the throttle and pull the handbrake. The result: drifts and maneuvers that make people stop and watch. With 4WD, you can run it on asphalt, gravel, compact dirt, and even short grass. The anodized 6061-T6 aluminum chassis with a center brace, along with oil-filled shocks, ensures durability in any condition. The Spectrum DX3 system with AVC, active vehicle control, keeps it stable at high speeds. And with Spectrum Firma smart components, you can monitor ESC temperature, voltage, and motor RPM in real time through the free Spectrum dashboard app. It comes RTR with a transmitter and receiver included. All you need is a 6S LiPo battery and a charger. The Infraction doesn't choose between speed and fun. It delivers both at the same time. Number 2. This isn't an RC car for casual fun. It's a world record platform. The Arrma Limitless 6S is the ultimate 1/7 scale roller, a pure speed machine built for those who want to go further than anyone else. With the right electronics, this car can exceed 190 km per hour. Verified runs have pushed beyond 280 km per hour in modified setups. And in a head-to-head run against a Red Bull Racing Formula 1 car, the Limitless came out on top, completing a quarter mile in just 8.6 seconds. The 3mm anodized aluminum chassis with a center brace, big bore oil-filled shocks, 4WD drivetrain with steel drive shafts, and D-boots, Hoons tires, create a solid foundation for any build. Aerodynamics are fully adjustable. A full-width front splitter, rear diffuser, and adjustable rear wing, all designed to balance downforce at whatever speed you're aiming to reach. The key difference? You choose the electronics, motor, ESC, servos. Everything is customizable. The Limitless grows with you as your ambitions get bigger. Note, electronics are not included. This is a platform for those who know exactly what they want to build, and want to build something extraordinary. Number 1. 0 to 100 km per hour in 2.3 seconds. 0 to 160 km per hour in under 5 seconds. Straight out of the box. No modifications. The Traxxas XO-1 is the fastest ready-to-race RC supercar in the world, and no one is close to taking its crown. In 1/7 scale, the XO-1 was engineered from the ground up for one purpose: extreme speed with real stability. The big block brushless motor, developed in partnership with Castle Creations, powered by dual 3S LiPo packs in series, delivers over 25 volts of pure power. Its belted slick tires were the first ever rated for speeds above 190 km per hour. The aerodynamics were computer optimized. High downforce front canards, a revised rear wing, and an integrated NACA duct for motor cooling built into the chassis. Everything is functional. Everything is designed to keep the car planted to the asphalt. The TSM, Traxxas Stability Management, system works in the background to keep the car tracking straight at full throttle. Real-time telemetry streams to your phone through the Traxxas Link app. This is not a beginner's car. It demands space, respect, and experience. But if you've got all three, the XO-1 will redefine your idea of fast. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.